I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate using real chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite chocolate, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. For an extra touch, have a dash of vanilla extract on hand. These simple items are the foundation for a rich and comforting drink. Now let's create our chocolate base. Finely chop your 2 ounces of chocolate. This helps it melt smoothly. In a small saucepan, combine the chopped chocolate with about 1/4 cup of your milk. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring continuously until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. This step is crucial for a rich flavor. Next, we'll bring it all together. Gradually whisk in the remaining 3/4 cup of milk into your chocolate mixture. Add your 1 tablespoon of sugar and that tiny pinch of salt. Continue to heat the hot chocolate over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. You want it to be hot and steamy, but avoid letting it come to a full boil. This ensures a creamy texture. Finally, it's time to enjoy your creation. Remove the hot chocolate from the heat, and if desired, stir in a dash of vanilla extract for added aroma. Carefully pour the steaming hot chocolate into your favorite mug. You can top it with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Take a moment to savor this warm, comforting, and delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.